Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious rolled taquitos in bacon. Perfect for Cinco de Mayo. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Are my ingredients. I have the Habanero salsa, Pickled, Bailey's, garlic clove, chicken bouillon, chicken, tortillas, and of course the star, the bacon. Let's be ready for Cinco de Mayo and let's prepare these rolled taquitos in bacon. So let's get started. I want to start, of course, first preparing the chicken. I have the chicken breast, the 2 garlic cloves, the Baileys, and the chicken bouillon. Let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have already water boiling. And to this, I am going to add the 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to add my Baileys and my garlic cloves. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and when it's time, you are going to remove all the little white stuff that floats on the top. You're gonna remove it, and once you remove it, you're gonna add the chicken bouillon. You're gonna let it cook, cover it, let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is fork tender. After the 25 minutes, well, now I am ready to remove the chicken breast. Let it cool down just a little bit before you start shredding it. I'm going to help myself with the fork and I'm going to shred it completely because I want to fill these taquitos with this shredded chicken. And of course, I'm going to show you step by step how to roll your taquitos with that delicious and amazing bacon. I have my shredded chicken, I have my bacon, and I have my tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and start warming up my tortillas so that they are nice and flexible. My skillet is nice and hot, and I'm gonna go ahead and start one by one until they are all nice and warm. Once they are really nice and warm and flexible, well, now I am ready to start filling them with the shredded chicken. And let me show you, be generous with your chicken. I'm going to go ahead and start rolling it just like that, pressing it down a little bit. And now I'm going to roll it with the bacon. Look at this. You don't need any toothpicks. Just be careful, press it really good, and at the end, you just tuck it in. Tuck it in with the other side of the bacon. Just like that. This is going to be so secure that the taquito is not going to open up. The bacon is not going to loosen up. It's going to be nice and tight. These taquitos are perfect for Cinco de Mayo. When you want to impress your loved ones and you want to share something delicious, amazing, and why not make these amazing rolled taquitos with bacon. Once you make these taquitos, you are going to continue making these amazing taquitos. Look at this. It really doesn't have to be Cinco de Mayo to enjoy an amazing rolled with bacon taquitos. Look at this. I'm going to add my shredded chicken, and I'm going to be very generous, and then I'm going to tie it and roll it up really good. And let me show you. Look at this. It's very easy to prepare. Just make sure that you tighten really good your bacon so it doesn't open. And at the end, just tuck it in. Just like that. I hope you could see it in camera. So when you are frying your taquitos, the bacon is not going to fall apart. It's going to be nice and tight. And look at this. Well, I'm going to continue making the rest of the taquitos. I have a couple already made, and I want to show you how they look. They look amazing, but they're going to taste even better when they are nice and crispy, golden brown from all the sides. I have a pan already, nice and hot. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil. When the oil is nice and hot, then I'm going to start adding the taquitos. You want to add 4 or 5 at a time, making sure that they're not touching each other, because if they are touching each other, they're going to stick to each other. So that's why just make sure that the oil is nice and hot. And then we're going to start flipping the taquitos and making sure that all the sides of the bacon are crispy. If you could tell, there's little sides that are not crispy. The bacon is not cooked. Well, we got to make sure and be flipping them until everything is just like this, nice and golden brown. I'm helping myself with the plate and some napkins so I could remove the excessive oil out of these amazing rolled taquitos. Well, let me continue. Of course, with this recipe, you could make about 20 or 25 taquitos. It all depends how much filling you add into them, how many slices of bacon you have, and of course, how many are in your family. So just make sure that you take your time and you roll these amazing taquitos and you enjoy them. I am going to enjoy it with the pickled cabbage that you already have it on my channel. I am going to enjoy it with the Habanero salsa that you already have on my channel. And of course, I have to enjoy it with an amazing lemonade. And I'm going to enjoy a bougainvillea lemonade. You already have that recipe on my channel. I am the queen of the lemonades. And of course, go into my playlist and you will find amazing lemonades. Now I am ready to make my plate. I'm adding some pickled cabbage, of course some salsa on the top, and I'm ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy them one by one. So I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with these delicious chicken rolled tacos with bacon. You know something? They come out delicious every time. Perfect for Cinco de Mayo. When you want to impress your family, you want to enjoy something delicious and amazing, well, why not a delicious and amazing rolled taquito in bacon? Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, you have the pickled cabbage already on my channel. You have the habanero salsa on my channel. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy this amazing taquito. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Just amazing. And of course, with a bougainvillea lemonade, well, perfection made at home. You guys already have this amazing lemonade on my channel. Perfection made at home for Cinco de Mayo. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious and amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.